Isla Nublar, 2015. Isla Nublar features lush tropical forests that have frequent storms and rainfall. Here, the theme park Jurassic World, owned by InGen, a bioengineering company, and Masrani Global Corporations, have recently developed a new attraction. This heat-seeking camera is terrible. The Indominus Rex, a carnivorous hybrid. The Indominus Rex is a genetically modified hybrid dinosaur and a formidable predator that possesses a blend of characteristics from different dinosaur species, notably the Tyrannosaurus rex. The Indominus Rex has no fossils as of late, however the creatures who make up the hybrid can be found all over the world. The Indominus Rex showcases remarkable dimensions, intelligence, power, and agility, rendering it a powerful creature capable of outwitting both its prey and foes. The Indominus Rex is a hybrid dinosaur using the genetic material of various species of theropod dinosaurs, including Carnotaurus, Giganotosaurus, Majungasaurus, Rugops, Therizinosaurus, Velociraptor, and Tyrannosaurus rex. Additionally, it contains DNA from contemporary animals like cuttlefish, tree and dart frogs, and pit viper. Huh. Is it looking at us? Does it know the cameras out there? Dr. Henry Wu developed the Indominus Rex for InGen in 2012 at the behest of Jurassic World proprietor Simon Masrani, in order to rejuvenate interest in the park. What was that? The park had been running smoothly for more than a decade, but was starting to see a decline in attendance. No, seriously, what the hell was that noise? What the? That was pure concrete? What the hell did they make in the laboratory? Call InGen.
Damas y caballeros, se les informa que los iniciales más claros. Estos edificios estarán iluminados y el personal les ayudará al llegar a estos centros de
Team leader Greg Perry from InGen Security. Currently inbound to engage asset. Over. I can't get a good shot. Move around. It's running into the forest. Damn. I can't even see it.
There. In the clearing at the outer fence.
Those tranquilizer darts just bounce off of its thick hide. I just fear where the hell it's going next.
Found her. It's near the Triceratops territory where the gyrospheres are, and it seems to be charging at her Ankylosaurus. I hope the Ankylosaur can stop it. But if the Indominus Rex can charge through concrete, what can it do to nature's tank?
I have sent an alert to the control room and an ACU team should be on their way.
What happened to the AKU team? Why didn't they kill it?
Because that isn't protocol. We must tranquilize the assets, and it's ACU. However, a helicopter has been sent to the Indominus Rex's location, piloted by the park founder himself, Mr. Masrani.
Okay. Well, where is it?
Aren't you and your team supposed to be making a documentary?
On the Indominus Rex, the thing you're hunting down, so as the narrator I would like to know where the subject of the documentary is, that Mr. Masrani paid for.
Touché. The Indominus Rex has breached the aviary.
The pterosaurs are escaping the aviary from the helicopter crash. They seem to be heading to the main street. Do something.
Calling all units, head to Main Street immediately. We have a breach at the birdcage. Repeat, aviary has been breached. Over.
We need to evacuate now. The Indominus Rex is approaching the main street after the failed attempt to kill it with the raptors. There has been a special helicopter prepared for you and your company.
Thank you, we just need to pack up our equipment. It won't be too long.
On behalf of InGen and Masrani Global, our sincerest apologies for the events that have been caused.
I don't think you are. Do you not see the devastation caused by your greed? The Indominus Rex was a disaster waiting to happen, a result of your scientists overstepping their bounds and humanity's disregard for its power. You thought you could control nature for profit, but now hundreds of innocent lives are lost, and your park is in ruins. This creature made by your ignorance, created without regard for the consequences as you treated life as a tool for your ambitions, but it is fragile and invaluable. Now, we have suffered.
Not all is lost. Some of our employees have done one last thing here on the island, and that is to restore order by opening Paddock 9. What is in Paddock 9 is what you're about to see.
Okay, you fixed your mistake. This should make it for it.
Damas y caballeros, se les informa que en los centros de alojamiento iniciales más cercanos, los servicios estarán iluminados y el personal se ayudará a llegar a las estaciones.
Ha! You know when you said no fossils of the Indominus Rex have been
Don't
found.
ruin the moment, dude.